Good morning. I'm Jeffrey Nathaniel Lagarde from BSN2 Block 2, and I'll be demonstrating the fermentation procedure of a watermelon fruit in this winemaking experiment. The materials needed for this experiment are fruit, brown sugar, water, empty plastic container, yeast, warm water, white sugar, cotton plug to be placed around the mouth of the plastic container, wooden ladle, knife, chopping board, and cheesecloth. Or if you don't have cheesecloth, in my case, I use clean cloth. First off, make sure the materials needed for this experiment are clean. Then, I added the water into the plastic container with the brown sugar and mix it thoroughly. After that, I cut the fruit into small pieces just enough to fit into the plastic container. After cutting them, I then placed the fruit into the container with the water and the brown sugar in it. After that, I warmed a small amount of water and added the yeast and white sugar in it, and then placing it into a clean container to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I added the yeast mixture to the container that has the fruit mixture in and mix it lightly. After that, cover the plastic container with cotton plug, making sure the cotton plug is not wet or it will be contaminated. Through its fermentation process, the mixture will produce bubbles and gas. Since this was made during the holidays, I didn't get to observe its fermentation process. Instead, I allowed it to ferment in a cool, dry place and away from direct sunlight, and left it in my boarding house. When I got back to my boarding house, it has been 14 days. I then strained the mixture using a clean cloth. Then, I collected all the liquid in a clean glass container. Now, this is not yet drinkable because we still need to pasteurize the wine. In pasteurizing the wine, let it heat but do not let it boil because the quality of the wine will be ruined. Just let it simmer in a pot for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let it cool down, then transfer the wine to the clean glass bottle. This is now the finished product of the wine experiment on fruit fermentation.